Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can cancel your memberships on your Audible account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do in order to go ahead and cancel your membership is go to any browser you want and simply search for audible.com, as I am doing, and then you're gonna be on their site right over here, as you can see. And in order for you to go ahead and cancel your membership, you want to go ahead and click hover your mouse over your username on the top right of your screen, and then simply go ahead and click on account details. Once you have done that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click on cancel membership right over here, and then your Audible membership will be canceled. So it is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.